Your parents have probably seen your butthole more times than you have.
There are millions or billions of dollars invested into making sure that you, personally, can't get close to harmful radioactive uranium.
Cool becomes so uncool it becomes cool again.
If Project 2025 works out, most of the world will leave it worse than they found it.
If the basketball hoop was a little higher, the height of the players wouldn't be such an important thing.
Bad criminals have a hefty criminal record, the good ones don't.
Crickets are associated with silence, but they're one of the loudest insects.
Good guys are more forgettable than the bad guys because wholesomeness is a normal thing we'd expect from the average person.
Podcasts are AM radio for young people.
Most of us won't see the year 2100.
A full bladder is the most effective alarm clock.
Thinking about eating a banana is way less pleasant than actually eating a banana.
Necromancer are actually healers with really bad timing.
The paleontologist who drew the first picture of a dinosaur did not know he was starting a popular children's fashion trend.
Men who include half inches in their height sound desperate to be taller, and yet men in metric countries can freely use centimeters, which are less than half an inch without stigma.
Few things have lost their meaning as much as student driver stickers have.
Zombie viruses in movies are almost always essentially just rabies.
When fictional characters talk about what fate wants or does, they're actually talking about the writers.
Future historians may struggle to identify which images are real and which have been generated by AI.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. You almost never actually see the moment your phone's battery percentage goes down. You just look up and it's different.
Meeting the parents is considered a milestone in relationships, yet it happens way earlier when you're younger, and casual relationships, than when you're more mature and more committed ones.
All cell phone ads have basically become just camera ads.
Rattlesnakes are the twerkers of the snake kingdom.
You really are full of yourself is more of a universal fact than an insult.
Humans are one of the most invasive species on Earth.
Being a heavyweight with alcohol have more cons than pros.
It's funny how most people subconsciously remember what they had for meals the previous day, even though it's not important. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you like the soothing background music in my calming voice, then check out my other podcast called Terra Vitae, a daily guided meditation podcast. Embark on tranquil journeys through diverse natural landscapes, exploring the serenity and healing power of the natural world. Search for daily guided meditation and look for Terra Vitae, or check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.